Hi, this is Tanma here. I have made a zombie game through HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the game. Basically it's a time-based game, and if I click here it will start the game. So as you can see, it has started and you can see the timer. You can also the counting of the kills. So if I click here, I am able to kill the zombie. As you can see, the counting of the kills is working properly. So this is how the game works, and now let me fast forward it so we can save some time here. After the time is over, it will show like this. You can see the total kills is 28, and if I want to play again, I will just click to play again. So if I click here, it will start the game again, and you can see the timer and also the counting of the kills. So I can play again. So this is it. Now let me show you my codes. Here we go. This is my HTML code, this is the CSS code, and finally JavaScript. I'll provide you my GitHub account link so you can see my codes from there very easily. Thank you so much for watching the video.